Today we will show you the FTDBM02EN dual-mode multi-frequency copying remote control. Can copy most of the fixed code. Range from 30 MHz 915 MHz. It has two channels, green mode and blue mode. Each channel copy for buttons. First we can clear the card. Before copying, press the two buttons together, then it is flashing. Clear code success. Now face to face. The two remote controls are close together. Copies the remaining keys in the same way. That is OK. It is a multi-frequency remote control from 300 IVZ 915 MHz. This is a 315 frequency and now we clone another button with 433. It's OK through the switching function. If you want to change to another for buttons, you can change. Press this button to change. Press together the light green, flash blue light. Now it is blue mode. So now along the same way, to copy the new mode for buttons, both modes do not affect each other. Now these two buttons for 3 MHz, we clone 315 MHz. Now, all the buttons we clone OK. We can take a test. It shows 434 Hz. Convert to green mode. Detect OK. Frame all for you. Thank you.